can we just talk about how awesome this week has been for at least Ducati on the side of like the social media things? If you missed it, if you lived under a rock, I don't know how that bike right there, the new 2025 V4R or V4, whatever it is gotten announced. So Ducati for the WCW, the World Ducati Week, as far as I understand it's called, took all of the MotoGP guys, the WSBK, all the big names that ride for Ducati and put them on the V4R and had a little exhibition race, and it's super cool. You think it's just this is something that's this company is gigantic, and to take all of their big name riders, put them on a brand new bike, put them on the track, and race them. Not even just hey, here's our guys. They're gonna go do a little exhibition lap, and they're just gonna roll around and it doesn't matter anything. I mean, granted, it's an exhibition race; it doesn't matter for much of anything, anyways. But to have these guys pushing this brand new bike, to show how cool it is, and I think it looks great. I mean, it's the I don't know, the wings, everything that's coming from MotoGP onto road bikes, where every bike now has to have wings and everything. It's funny. I think it looks fine. It looks, for a Ducati, it looks normal. The single-sided swing arm, always going to be a fan of that. But this is just something cool that like a company like this to do, to take all your big name riders from multiple different series that ride multiple different bikes. When you think the superbike guys are on the current V4R, you got the MotoGP guys, which are on a prototype bike. They're not racing that, but they probably train on a V4, and it's just kind of neat to see this. I don't know. It's something I think a lot of companies could do better, is be like PR sided things, like showing stuff like this for the fans, because this doesn't, I don't know if this had a prize pool or purse or anything like that. And if I'm wrong, or if you know, comment down below. Tell me if they actually won anything, or if this was just for bragging rights. But for the fans to see this kind of stuff, to have all these people in one place, which you only normally see, one series at a time. I think this is cool. And I'd like to see more companies do it. Bring out when the Yamaha R1M comes out, or R1, whatever you want to call it, or Kawasaki, or any of these guys. Like, most of these people have racing series that they're in, and especially somebody like Yamaha, which is a gigantic company, should do this, I think. But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you watch any of this? Did you see the race? Did you even know it was happening? Do you have a V4, and did you buy one this year and are very sad the new one's coming out? I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.